Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect MetaMask to a mobile app. First, ensure you have the MetaMask application downloaded on your mobile device and the MetaMask browser extension installed on your desktop computer. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Once both are ready, open your mobile MetaMask app. We will then prepare your desktop extension to generate a unique QR code for syncing. Now let's get the connection started. On your mobile MetaMask app, look for and tap the Sync with MetaMask extension option. This action will activate a QR code scanner on your phone's screen, ready to capture information. Simultaneously, on your desktop, open the MetaMask browser extension. You will need to access its settings to proceed with the syncing process. With your mobile scanner active, return to your desktop MetaMask. In the settings, select Sync or Import, then click Sync with Mobile. A unique QR code will instantly appear on your computer screen. Use your mobile app to scan this code. After a moment, you will receive a confirmation prompt on both devices. Approve these prompts to finalize the secure connection. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now securely connected between your desktop and mobile devices. You can now conveniently view your digital assets, check your transaction history, and approve or reject new transactions directly from your mobile phone. Remember to always exercise caution and verify the authenticity of any decentralized application you connect with for enhanced security.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.